Hello, my name's Oriana Bretschker. I'm the CEO and founder at Aquacycl, and welcome to Wastewater Wednesday. So today we're going to talk business models and specifically what's available to industrial dischargers to help manage costs while still meeting compliance and wastewater management goals. This can happen, of course, through technologies that we provide, but also through business models. Most of us are very familiar with the CapEx purchasing model, right? So you have to put down a big wad of cash, you get a big technology that's installed, and then you have that as an asset at your facility, which depreciates over a series of years, which can be an advantage to your business model. However, if you don't want to hold that asset on your balance sheet or you wanted to manage cash flow in a different way, Aquacycl also offers opportunity to do build, own, operate transfer contracts. So you can pay down the asset over time, own it over a series of years, or full OpEx. So you can put down a down payment and then we operate over the few years that we're there. We continue to own that asset. And basically, you're paying a lease fee as well as an operations fee over that period of time. So it can definitely keep your cash flow well managed, keep you within compliance, and ensuring that you're meeting your wastewater management goals. So if you think about the pros and the cons of the CapEx versus OpEx model, especially for wastewater treatment, things to take into account. So on the CapEx model, where you're buying equipment, it's going to be a fixed asset on your production facility. It's going to treat the wastewater as it was designed right at that point in time. Now, it's going to be a larger system, more likely than not. You're going to need to hire a team of people to be there to operate it, to be there for maintenance, to be there for the downtime. That may be additional team members directly from your production facility, or you may have to contract to bring people in to do that. Then there's all the recurring costs, of course, with chemical, with energy. So you have to plan all of this out over the time that the asset is fixed at this facility. Now, the other challenge, the CapEx project and that investment in wastewater specifically, is that if you do change something in production, or say you even want to transfer facilities, that fixed asset is not going to travel with you and is going to be difficult to adapt to your new production environment because it was built for one specific application. And your team knows how to operate it under those specific application requirements. So changes from a production facility can create some specific challenges relative to operations on a big fixed CapEx asset. Now, if you go with an OpEx model with a more modular wastewater treatment system on your site, A, it'll be a smaller footprint typically. B, it comes with an operator, so you don't necessarily have to hire somebody, and they take on the risk for you in terms of compliance and operations. Also, if you change your production environment or you move your production to another facility, this modular system will change with you, grow with you, shrink if needed, and or move along with the operators. And it's specifically designed to your production needs as they change in time. So you can simplify, reduce complexity, both in operations as well as system design, and reduce your cost, reduce your risk.